Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another Pokemon 20th anniversary unboxing video. I apologize for anybody who's getting a little bit tired of these, but unfortunately I love Pokemon and I just can't help myself. There will be at least one of these each month and then the 4 extras. So this one here is one of our extra ones for the month of March. This is the Charizard EX pack. So as you can see, we have a full pack here with 4 booster cards packs, and we also have a figure of Charizard here as well as the EX card. So again, just like the Pikachu and the Mew boxes, we have 20th anniversary red and blue collection, Charizard EX box, that. Same on that side, and then the back is just the basic. So never before seen promo card, 4 Pokemon trading card game generations booster packs, a sculpted figure of Charizard, and a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. So we are going to open this one up, and we'll be back to open up the second one very shortly as well. Alright guys, so this is what we get in this pack. We have our quick little info book again with the Celebrate 20 Years of Pokemon. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen this already, but we'll just take another quick just look at it. Alright. We also have the trading card game card promo code here. Next, we have this awesome Charizard EX card. Full art. Amazing artwork on it too, and I love the holo on this. That is exciting. And then we've got the figurine.
Yeah, no, not having fun spinning this around. Anyways, here's a quick look at the figurine, guys. As you can see, Charizard's coming out of the flames. Looks freaking awesome. The ombre effect and the gradient on the flames is awesome. And I love his wing. Yep, just gonna spin it a little bit more here. Take a look at the details, and then we will move right along. Yay!
Alright. And last but not least, we have 4 more booster packs. So this is the first of our sets of the Charizard box, because I do have a second one. We're going to open these up first, and then we'll open the second one separate from this. Alright, so we are going to start with the Blastoise pack. Yeah. I forgot sometimes these open really nicely from the top. So we start off with a Fire Energy. I'll change the way I'm holding this. Geodude, Tangela, a Magikarp, Shroomish, Graveler, Trainer Clement, a reverse of Imakuni, our holo, Frostlass, nice, and our rare is Tauros. Next we'll open the Venusaur pack. I didn't unrip that. Okay, we start it with Fletchling, another Imakuni, Trainer Clement, Doduo, Shelder, a Darkness Energy, Ghastly, a reverse holo of Golbat, Mega Gardevoir EX. Now, I've pulled this one before, but that is still a very, very pretty card. And our rare is of Dodrio. And that is pretty cool, even though it's a regular rare. I love that artwork. The amount of the action in it is just amazing. Next, we will change it up a bit and do our Pikachu pack. And this one opened real easy. All right, Gulpin, Trainer Pokemon Center Lady, an Evo Soda, Ponyta, Shelder, a Fairy Energy, Zubat. Oh, and I get my very first reverse holo energy, and it is a leaf energy, grass energy. Pardon me. And our holo is a Dedenne. And we also have a rare Gyarados card. That guy's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about that one too. All right, on to our last pack. Now, I don't feel like this one's been as nice to us as some of my other rare packs have, or my other card packs have, because generally I find I get at least 2 or 3 EXs and some pretty awesome cards. I am definitely looking forward to getting some of the evolutions. Like, I know that there's a Flareon and I don't remember the other one. I'm gonna have to look them up. But I am definitely looking forward to some of the cards that I know you can get in these packs. All right, so we start this with Flabebe, Trainer Red card, Crushing Hammer, Fire Energy, a Magikarp, Shelder, a Machop, Reverse Holo of Energy Switch. Yay! What was I telling you guys? Sylveon! That was the other one I was looking for. Yes, I got Sylveon EX. This is one of the ones I was looking for, guys. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. It's even got an Eevee in the background and she's winking. This is one of the cards I was super excited to get. Awesome. Okay, scratch what I was saying earlier. Definitely worth it. This has definitely been worth it. Much better than the other pack. Well, not much better, but just as good as the other packs I've been opening up. That definitely is probably my highlight from this box so far. Now, we do have one card back there, and I can see we've got something else really cool waiting back there. Let's see what else I managed to pull in this pack. We got a Blastoise EX as well. So, 2 EXs, 1 pack. Definitely worth saving the Charizard pack for last. That was awesome. These generation boosters are awesome. These packs are great. I am super excited about my cards. All right, now we're going on to our second box. Give me a second. No. Okay, this one opened nicely. You can sit if you want. It would come out nice this time. Don't bend the card, Ashley. Oh my god. Yeah. And come on, focus. There's the second code. And another Charizard EX card. Promo card. Shiny. We have another of the figurines. And again, 4 Generations booster packs. So we will start with our Venusaur pack again. All right, and in this one we have, come on, Snorunt, Mr. Mime, Persian, Shelder, Caterpie, Doduo, a Water Energy. Our reverse holo is, oh, we got another energy reverse. This one's a Fighting Energy reverse holo. And our next card is a, oh good grief, holo Yveltal. And that actually, surprisingly, is an uncommon, but very, very pretty. Like the angle of the artwork on that. And our rare is a regular rare Parasect. Next, we'll open the Blastoise booster pack. Shut up. And in this one we have Flabebe, Maintenance Trainer, Imakuni Trainer, Paris, a Caterpie, Clefairy, Ponyta. Our reverse holo is, ooh, this is a rare holo reverse, and this one is Golem. That looks pretty freaking awesome. Our next card is, ooh, I got the Charizard holo. Again, another uncommon card, but very, very pretty. I love the snowflakes on the back of that. And our final card is a regular rare Jinx. All right, next up is our Pikachu pack. And so far in the second box, we haven't pulled any EXs. I am hoping to get, I know there's a ton more of the evolutions, as well as still another 2 full arts that I'm missing, both Articuno as well as the other Gardevoir. So this one will start with Charmander and a Haunter. I actually really think that card looks pretty cool. Max Revive Trainer, a Slowpoke, Lightning Energy, another Slowpoke, 2 Slowpokes in one pack, wow. We have a Machop, a reverse rare holo again, this one of Tauros, definitely like that card. Our next card is another holo of Dedenne. I got this, I do believe, in my Mew packs. And our final card is a regular rare Pinsir. Well, not having quite as much luck this time as I did in both my Mew and Celebi packs, as well as the first Charizard pack, but just like last time, I'm hoping that the Charizard one, which is the one we're opening next, will change my luck and at least get me 1 EX or a full art, or maybe both, just like I think it was last time. All right, this one starts with Esper, Clefable, Golbat, Doduo, another Slowpoke, another Lightning or Electric Energy, another Slowpoke. Well, this is the Slowpoke pack apparently. We got a reverse holo of Geodude. Our other holo is a Slurpuff. And the final card in this unboxing is very anticlimactic, another rare Pinsir. Alright guys, we're going to go through all of the special cards and EXs that I got out of this promo box here. So we start with the promo card itself, Charizard EX. Very, very pretty. Then we also pulled a Mega Gardevoir EX. This is a duplicate for me. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one just yet, but still an awesome pull. We also got in our last pack the Blastoise EX. And I like the splash effects, like down in the corner here. That is super cool. And my favorite pull from this box has been my Sylveon EX card. This is my very first Sylveon card that I have pulled because I haven't been collecting for the last couple years. But super, super excited about this card. All right, guys, and thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox these. We will be having more to come, especially with April just around the corner, with I do believe it's the Jirachi box that is coming up. So, if you liked it, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more Pokemon unboxing, as well as some more video games. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you later. Bye! Clefable, Machoke, Clefairy, Diglett, Water Energy, Magikarp, Reverse Hollow Clefable, another Meowstic,